How to make healthy eating choices as effortless as possible. The iconic Good Housekeeping seal has been helping consumers since 1909, and now they've introduced their new Nutritionist-Approved Emblem to make it even easier.
The Good Housekeeping Nutritionist-Approved Emblem, we know that consumers are 89% more likely to buy a product with the seal because of that trust and reliability in the brand. And with Nutritionist-Approved, we wanted to share our brand loyalty and the trust and reliability associated with the brand to empower consumers to make healthier food choices without sacrificing taste, time, or without adding additional cost.
Some of the standouts?
We have these Veggie Innovations by Green Giant. They are fantastic because they can cut calories down of a starchier product like rice or pasta and make it easier to add in a more nutritious and delicious choice with added benefit of fiber, antioxidants, minerals. We've also got bonitos. So bonitos are an incredible product as well because they take that, traditional chip that we know and love and they kind of flip it on its head and make it a more delicious product that is made from beans as their first ingredient. They are up to 4 grams each of protein and fiber. And then we have sweet leaf stevia products. These are going to be your sweetener alternatives, no artificial ingredients. They are also free from sugar, 0 calories. Last but not least, we have Fairlife milk, which is an ultra filtered milk product. So it's made from cow's milk, but it is lactose free through their filtration process, making it a higher in protein alternative. So it can be up to 50% higher in protein, 50% less sugar. All of these products can help you just make a very simple swap, simple choice, make a delicious and nutritious choice at any meal or snack.
Visit ghnutritionistapproved.com and pick up the July issue of Good Housekeeping on newsstands now.